The Nokia 2 has 8MP sensor, with not a lot else to really say about it. The pictures it takes are clear enough, packs some sharpness and focus in a fairly decent time. However, the quality is far from sterling, and you'll be using this to capture memories when needed, rather than a phone you put in your pocket to really get some cracking snaps. Again, this is entirely acceptable for the price point, and we've seen cheap phones take far worse photos, although the camera interface is slow and doesn't really offer that many customization options. However, there is a flash, which is something that's often overlooked. The Nokia 2 battery life is obviously something we couldn't test in the few hours we had with the phone, but HMT is claiming that it'll last 2 days without a charge, something that could well bear out given the spec list, as it has a 4100 mAh battery pack inside. That's probably because you're not going to be a power user if you go for a phone like the Nokia 2. So for its main role of sitting quietly in a pocket, it'll save some decent battery power. The lower power Snapdragon 212 CPU, along with 1GB of RAM, will help it too.